Welcome to Speed Zone. Today we dive into the world of luxury motorhomes, where automotive engineering meets opulence, where performance is fused with comfort, and where three giants of the automotive industry redefine what a motorhome can be. The year 2026 has ushered in some of the most breathtaking creations from Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, and Mercedes-Benz. These three legendary brands, each with its own unique heritage and philosophy, have delivered motorhomes that not only challenge conventional design but also push the boundaries of performance, luxury, and technology. Let's explore these extraordinary masterpieces in detail, starting with their striking exteriors, moving inside to their luxurious interiors, and finally discovering how they perform on the road. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a marvel of design and engineering, unmistakably Ferrari in every line, curve, and detail. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, there's no mistaking its heritage. Ferrari has managed to do what many thought impossible: translate the essence of its iconic sports cars into a large, mobile living space. The exterior is aggressively aerodynamic, with sharp angles and flowing lines inspired by Ferrari's track-focused hypercars. A bold front fascia dominates the road, with an aggressive grille and Ferrari's signature LED-like design that stretches with precision across its body. Every element of its styling communicates motion, speed, and elegance even when parked. This motorhome sits on a low-slung chassis compared to traditional RVs, giving it that sporty Ferrari stance. The wheels are massive, inspired by the designs used on the SF90 and La Ferrari Aperta, with lightweight forged alloys and carbon ceramic braking systems. Air vents, sculpted diffusers, and active aerodynamic elements are carefully integrated, proving that this isn't just a bulky box, but a performance-driven luxury cruiser. Ferrari uses lightweight carbon fiber composites and aluminum in the body, ensuring the motorhome is lighter than many of its competitors, a factor that greatly improves both handling and efficiency. The rear showcases a signature Ferrari quad exhaust layout, making it clear this machine is more than capable of delivering thrills. Stepping inside the Ferrari Motorhome reveals an interior that balances minimalism with advanced technology. Unlike most RVs that focus purely on space, Ferrari's philosophy is all about driver engagement combined with refined comfort. The cockpit is driver-centric, featuring a digital instrument cluster inspired by Formula One displays, touch-sensitive controls, and a yoke-style steering interface. The materials used are nothing short of premium Alcantara, fine Italian leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber weaved together to create an atmosphere of performance luxury. Though Ferrari doesn't focus on sprawling living areas, the motorhome still offers comfortable sleeping space for 2 to 4 occupants. The lounge area feels modern and futuristic, with racing-inspired seats that convert into lounges, fold-out entertainment systems, and ambient LED lighting. The kitchen and bathroom are compact but efficient, finished in carbon accents and metallic trims that reinforce Ferrari's DNA. Everything inside feels tightly engineered, reflecting precision more than excess. Performance is where Ferrari separates itself from everyone else in this segment. Powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with electric motors derived from Ferrari's Formula One hybrid program, the motorhome produces an astonishing output of over 1,000 horsepower. This makes it the fastest motorhome in existence, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, an unheard of figure in this category. Ferrari also integrates advanced torque vectoring, active suspension, and all-wheel drive, ensuring stability and handling even at higher speeds. Its battery system allows for short-range electric-only driving, perfect for urban areas, while its roaring V12 takes over on highways, offering unmatched excitement. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a hypercar you can live in. Next, we move to the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a creation that redefines luxury travel. If Ferrari represents speed and performance, Rolls-Royce represents unmatched elegance and comfort. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is nothing short of majestic. The design philosophy mirrors that of the Phantom and Cullinan, with an imposing front grille crowned by the spirit of ecstasy, a symbol of timeless sophistication. The body is tall, commanding, and yet sleek, with perfectly smooth lines that exude presence rather than aggression. Unlike Ferrari's sharpness, Rolls-Royce opts for grace and grandeur, with soft LED signatures that flow like jewelry across the front and rear. Asterisk. The exterior is finished with Rolls-Royce's signature bespoke paint options, offering endless customization. Customers can choose hand-painted coach lines, two-tone finishes, and even custom pearl-like effects that change color under different lighting. The motorhome rides on massive wheels with polished chrome accents, while subtle chrome detailing runs along the side panels, windows, and mirrors. Rolls-Royce has ensured that every detail radiates wealth and exclusivity. The side profile is long and elegant, with retractable steps that extend automatically as you approach. Asterisk inside. Rolls-Royce showcases why it has always been regarded as the pinnacle of luxury. The interior of the 2026 motorhome is a mansion on wheels, designed with materials that rival luxury yachts and penthouses. Every surface is draped in fine leathers sourced from exclusive tanneries, open-pore wood veneers, handcrafted crystal inlays, and customizable embroidery. The ceiling features the iconic starlight headliner, replicating a constellation pattern that can be tailored to the owner's preference. Asterisk. The living area is expansive, with plush sofas, hand-woven rugs, and fully integrated smart home technology. Rolls-Royce ensures that passengers experience total serenity with its renowned soundproofing, making the cabin whisper quiet even when cruising at highway speeds. The motorhome includes a full gourmet kitchen, dining area, a luxurious master bedroom with king-size bedding, and a spa-inspired bathroom complete with marble finishes. Ambient lighting adapts to mood and time of day, while the air purification system ensures the atmosphere inside remains as fresh as possible. Asterisk on the performance front. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a smooth V12 hybrid system, prioritizing refinement over speed. The power delivery is seamless, ensuring effortless cruising no matter the road conditions. The suspension system, called the Magic Carpet Ride, has been adapted for the motorhome, providing unparalleled smoothness by reading road conditions in real time and adjusting damping accordingly. Rolls-Royce integrates electric assist for silent gliding through cities and uses its combustion engine for long-distance touring. While it doesn't match Ferrari's acceleration, it doesn't need to. The Rolls-Royce experience is about arriving in ultimate comfort with grace and calmness that no other brand can deliver. Asterisk. Finally, we turn our attention to the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a perfect blend of innovation, versatility, and luxury. Mercedes-Benz has long been a leader in luxury vehicles and vans, and with the 2026 Motorhome, they've elevated this segment by merging advanced technology with practicality. From the exterior, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome takes cues from the flagship EQ series, adopting a futuristic design language characterized by smooth, flowing surfaces, integrated LED lighting panels, and aerodynamic efficiency. The front grille is illuminated with the signature Mercedes star at the center, while sleek headlights stretch seamlessly into the bodywork. Asterisk. Unlike Ferrari's low-slung stance or Rolls-Royce's tall grandeur, Mercedes has struck a balance, sporty yet practical. The body is sculpted for efficiency, incorporating active aerodynamic elements to reduce drag. Large panoramic windows line the side, allowing maximum natural light into the cabin. The rear is equally stylish, with LED light bars and a futuristic Diffuser that integrates charging ports for its hybrid and fully electric POWERTRAIs. Step inside, and the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome feels like a fusion of luxury apartment and high-tech laboratory. The interior is minimalistic yet elegant, dominated by large digital displays, voice-activated systems, and augmented reality interfaces. The dashboard is sleek and futuristic, showcasing the latest version of Mercedes' MBUX system, capable of controlling everything from navigation and entertainment to climate and lighting. Seating is versatile, with modular designs that allow spaces to transform from a driving-focused cockpit to a comfortable lounge or even a mobile office. Asterisk. The living quarters include a spacious lounge area with reclining chairs, a smart kitchen, equipped with induction cooking, and a flexible bedroom arrangement that adapts to individual needs. Mercedes focuses on sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials like recycled composites and plant-based leathers. Lighting is adaptive and can simulate natural daylight cycles to reduce fatigue. Connectivity is another strength. The Motorhome is equipped with 5G, satellite internet, and integrated AI assistance, making it perfect for digital nomads or luxury travelers who need constant connection. Asterisk performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers multiple powertrain options. The top variant combines a high-output inline-six with electric motors for a plug-in hybrid setup, delivering smooth acceleration and efficient touring. Another option is a fully electric version with a range exceeding 400 miles on a single charge, supported by ultra-fast charging. Mercedes equips it with advanced driver assistance systems, including semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and automated parking. The suspension ensures both comfort and stability, making it one of the most versatile luxury motorhomes for various road conditions. Asterisk. When we compare these three icons, the contrasts are fascinating. Ferrari delivers a performance-first motorhome, a machine that thrills the driver and astonishes with speed and agility. Rolls-Royce focuses purely on opulence, giving its customers a palace on wheels where every journey feels like a first-class experience. Mercedes-Benz finds balance, offering advanced technology, sustainability, and versatile luxury that appeals to a broad range of travelers. Asterisk. Each of these motorhomes defines luxury in its own way. Ferrari pushes boundaries with its hyper-performance DNA. Rolls-Royce maintains its crown as the epitome of luxury and refinement, and Mercedes-Benz leads in innovation and adaptability. Together, they showcase how the motorhome industry has evolved into something far more than just recreational vehicles. These are rolling masterpieces, designed for those who demand the best of everything: speed, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Asterisk. And that wraps up our journey into the 2026 top 3 motorhomes from Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, and Mercedes-Benz. Each one represents the peak of its brand's philosophy, offering something unique and groundbreaking for luxury travelers. Whether you value raw performance, unmatched elegance, or futuristic innovation, these motorhomes prove that the future of travel is here, and it's more extraordinary than ever. Asterisk. This is Speed Zone, and we'll continue bringing you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the most exciting cars and motorhomes shaping our future. Asterisk.